Good morning everybody. So for today's video, let me show you how to do a border run to Cambodia, or we also call this as a visa run. What is visa run, by the way? So this is the process or another option for you to do if your visa is expiring and you can't do any extension in the immigration office anymore. Border run is allowed to do 2 times a year. So if you are a tourist visa holder, please take note that you still can extend it to immigration office, but if you already have done that, then this is the only option for you to do if you want the quickest and the cheapest way instead of flying out. You can also get a 60 days visa once you do a border run to Cambodia. And another thing that you have to keep in mind also, if you are a student visa holder, you are not allowed to change your visa from student to tourist visa if your student visa is already expiring. So the only option for you to do if you wanted to stay here still is either you fly out and come back and get a stamp as a tourist visa, or just do this border run, which is the cheapest way. The cost of the border run for this year is 2,900 baht. That is with my agent. If you guys can find cheaper than that, then that's great. If not, if you have no agent, then just check on the description below for the details of the agent that I am using. What's the process? So 1, make sure you contact the agent ahead. I suggest you guys contact them at least 2 or 3 days before your visa expires. And then they'll come and get you and pick you up around 5 in the morning, and you'll be back in your place or in Pattaya about 3 or 4 p.m. Payment is you just have to give it to the driver once he come and get you. So you will be in a minibus or a van with a group. Mostly there's like about 10 people in a van. Van or minibus is actually comfortable, guys. It's big. So on the way to Cambodia, you have 1 stopover for 10 minutes. And then it's very easy processed. The driver will assist you when you get to Cambodia. Travel time is about 4 hours from Pattaya. So we left, pick up by 5, arrive in Cambodia about 9 in the morning. Once you get to Cambodia, driver will give you a number together with your group and assist you. Cambodia staff will give you this form for your departure, which is called TM60. Take note that you have to keep the TM60. Do not lose it, because if you're going to lose it and once you do your border run again in the second time, which is you are allowed to do, they'll look for it. If you lose it, then you have to pay another 400 baht. So they'll give you that form TM60, keep it, that's your departure card, and another card for your arrival in Cambodia border. It's just a very short walk. All you have to do is just cross the border, like about 2 to 5 minutes. But I wasn't able to take a photo or videos, guys, when I was there, because it's actually not allowed. There are some signs there that photos or phones are not allowed while you are in the immigration lane or immigration windows. So it's very quick. Just go in the Cambodia immigration arrival window, get your stamp for arrival, and then the left side is a window for your departure. So fall in line there first in the arrival, get your stamp, give your arrival card of Cambodia that you get from Thailand departure, and then once you get your stamp, go to the left side window, which is departure. It's very, very easy. And of course, the last but not the least is you have to walk back to Thailand border in the arrival immigration window for your 60 days tourist visa stamp. So you go with your group and the staff will assist you for your arrival again in Thailand, and that's it. Bang, tada, you get your 60 days visa again. And by the way, guys, please take note that the fee that you paid is actually included lunch. So you have 30 minutes stopover while you're on way back to Pattaya. It's a really good restaurant though. You have 2 dishes to choose. It's Thai food. It's pretty cool. So that's all for today. And if you have any suggestions or questions regarding border run or anything about visas, please just leave us a comment below, and or you can also watch some of our videos about visas I have a playlist here in our YouTube channel about visa stuff. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please click on subscribe button and notification bell if you are interested of watching videos about Thailand life and some of our travel tips, not just in Thailand, but wherever we will be end up traveling soon. Thank you so much guys for watching and have a great day. Salamat po.